Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 EKIY motorcycle CarPlay. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, EVKEY New Motorcycle Wireless CarPlay. Specifications. Brand name, EKIY. Screen size, 7-inch. Resolution, 1024 by 600. System, Android 13.0. RAM, 2 GB. Supports, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Screen brightness, 800 nits. Software upgrade, OTA upgrade. CPU, 4-core A53. Origin, mainland China. Product number 2, EKIY Special BMW R1200 GS. Specifications. Brand name, EKIY. Screen size, 5.5 inches. Resolution, 1440 by 720. Plug-and-play installation for seamless connectivity. Original BMW style bracket for elegant design. Sony 307 wide dynamic 1080p camera option. Anti-theft design with quick disassembly. Working temperature, -2080 degrees C. Peak brightness, 800 nits. Origin, mainland China. Product number 1, EKIY MTC-10 Motorcycle Navigation. Specifications. Brand name, EKIY. Max external memory, 64 GB. Screen size, 5-inch. Resolution, 800 by 480. Color, black. System, Linux. Wireless CarPlay, support. Wireless Android Auto, support. Operating temperature, -20-70 degrees Celsius. Dual Bluetooth for calls and CarPlay simultaneously.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.